It happens every spring. No, not the blossoming of the trees. You open your mailbox and there it is. A reminder that it's time to seal your asphalt driveway. You may not be paying attention to your driveway, but someone is, and they want the business. Why not take an afternoon this weekend to do it yourself with supplies from your local independent home improvement retailer?
Today we're going to apply a coat of asphalt driveway sealer to the driveway. We'll start by making sure the surface of the driveway is as clean as possible. Then we'll use some products designed to fill cracks and depressions to stop the surface from cracking any more than it already has. So let's get started. As with most coating projects, we'll start by giving the surface a good cleaning. Wash all dirt and debris off with a garden hose and spray nozzle. Spray it down thoroughly. For those tough oil and grease spots that won't wash away, we're using a driveway cleaner solution that will pour directly onto the oil spot. A light scrubbing with a wire brush, then rinse it with the hose. Here's another area that needs some attention. This isn't a pothole, but it's well on its way to becoming one if we don't take action. First, we'll pour a generous amount of our driveway cleaning solution into the depression and scrub it vigorously. This will remove any oil or loose debris. Then we'll rinse it and let it dry before we patch it. While our driveway may look clean and ready to coat, we're not ready yet. Now it's time to really give it a cleaning with soap and water, or in this case, with a diluted mixture of our driveway cleaning solution and a pressure washer. We'll first mix the solution in a garden sprayer according to the manufacturer's instructions, then spray it on our driveway, working in sections. While we could use a garden hose and a scrub brush to scrub it clean, there's nothing like a pressure washer to give the surface a deep cleaning to remove any remaining oil and grime from the surface. A clean surface will ensure better adhesion of our asphalt sealer. Using a low pressure tip on our pressure washer, we'll go over the entire area, sweeping the wand back and forth to give it a thorough washing. Take your time during this step and give it a good cleaning. Once the surface is clean, it's time to fill any cracks and depressions. To fill this pothole in the making, we'll use this asphalt patch compound that is designed for a shallow depression like this. We'll use this margin trowel to apply the patch compound to the hole, then we'll spread it smooth with a trowel. That should just about do it. We'll have to let our patch set up for 24 hours before coating with our asphalt sealer. Now we'll move on to these smaller cracks in the edge of the driveway. If we don't fill these cracks now, they will get larger and larger until the edge starts crumbling away. First, we'll clean out the crack using this 5-in-1 tool to remove any loose debris. Then sweep it out thoroughly with a push broom. If you have an air compressor, a couple shots of air will help blow away any remaining dirt out of the crack. Next, we'll use this asphalt crack filler, which you just squeeze into the crack directly from the bottle, just like squeezing ketchup, and it's about the same consistency too. Now that our cracks and potholes have set up, it's time to start sealing the rest of the driveway. Be sure to check the forecast. You'll want a couple of nice days in a row with no rain in the forecast to allow the coating to set up and cure properly. After opening the bucket of sealer, we must mix it thoroughly using a long paint stirrer or a scrap piece of wood as we're doing here. Asphalt sealer is thick, so the longer stir stick gives us more leverage when mixing. Mix the sealer for several minutes. To spread the asphalt sealer, we'll be using this combination squeegee brush designed for this application. While the squeegee will give the sealer a smooth finish, we're going to be using the brush to make sure the sealer gets worked into any small cracks and crevices. It will also give the finished surface a textured appearance, which is what we're going for. We'll work our way across the driveway in manageable sections. First, we'll pour out some sealer on the driveway, then we'll spread the sealer in one direction, then the other direction to ensure proper coverage. Be sure to tape off any place that the driveway touches another surface like a sidewalk. Some painter's tape should do it. Continue down the driveway in the same manner until you've finished. The last step is to make sure nobody drives on the surface for several days. Orange cones will work great. You can also use the empty buckets from the asphalt sealer, although they are harder to see when it's dark.
And there you have it, a driveway that looks as good as new and will continue to look good for years to come with routine maintenance like we did today. If you have questions about this or any other home improvement project, be sure to read our frequently asked questions for this video. And don't forget to print out our project instructions, which includes a tools and materials checklist before visiting your local independent home improvement retailer. That's where you'll find all the products and helpful advice to complete your project. If you're not sure where to find your local store, check our store locator. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.